In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can create your own video from scratch, which is our option 3 of InVideo. So let's get started. But I want to warn you that it will be a little hard work for you because you will need to create everything from scratch. So you can take help of the InVideo support team, which are always present for you 24/7 for supporting you, and they will try to help you within minutes. So let's get started with build your own video. So now it is asking us for pick a dimension. So this is great for Instagram and video post, Instagram stories and Instagram TV, YouTube and video. Let's use YouTube. So this is what we have. It says build your own scene. This is our timeline and there is no scene. There is the only one scene available. Now, if you are familiar with the other two, you will be easily be able to build your own video from here. So first of all, let's one more scene. So let's add this. Proceed. You can see we have created one more scene. If you want to create one more scene, you can simply create and then save it. So we have 3 scenes available now. And if you want to delete anything, you can simply delete the scene or duplicate the scene. Okay, so yeah, so this is the scene 1. Let's try to change the text. Select this and let's change it to my name is Shashank. And now if you want to add background image or a video, click on media, select an image. Let's add. Now there are many images that you can put, so let's try to put this, drop it, and yeah, you can see the image has been added and we have to add our logo. Simply delete it. Yes. Now go to upload and upload the file. Now let's try to find the logo that I have already. This is the logo that I have. Now I can upload it. Alright, so now I can replace it, add as a layer, front or behind. Let's make it on the front. Okay, so my logo is present. Let's make it smaller. Select the logo and you can resize it. You can bring it on the top. Now go down. Yeah, so now if you want to change the text size, color and everything, you can go to text styles and click on it. Now let's change the font. Now let's change the color. So the text is changed. If you want to make it bold, you can make it more bold, italic. Let's change it to left and let's place it on the left. Okay, so now it's done. Wait, let's add sticker. Let's add an e-commerce sticker, 40% sale. So this is added. Now make it bigger. Okay, the 40% is added now. Now let's go back again, try to find a good sticker for love. Now click on this. So our cupcake is added. Let's make it on the center. This is on the center. It's 40% off. Now let's try to add animation. So go to animation and try to change the animation. Let's make this bounce and fade and exit. Let's make it fade. Now select the slide. Now if you want to add animation, you can add it here. Let's make it bounce out. Okay, now let's add a transition. Let's make it wipe left and let's make this one wipe X angle. Click on it. Now let's try to add a video here. So now if you want to trim it, you can trim it here. Let's keep it 10. And we are done. Let's remove this, we don't need it. Yes. And change the text. Use coupon code. Again go to text, Astons. Let's select this. Again let's select a social media credit and let's select Instagram. Let's change the text to shashank.pro, which is my actual Instagram handle, and let's add below here. Okay, and let's change this. Here, and let's change this to free course. Let's change this to myprofile.com. Alright, so we are done. Let's bring it on the top, and we have created a great video with text and video. Let's try to export it now, and let's export this. Also, the support is present in Facebook group as well. If you can join the Facebook group, you will be also be getting product updates and collaboration helps, and you have an chat. You will be able to chat with the team. There are many people who are always available for you. There is also an helpline in India, Southeast Asia and USA. So you can call them or chat with them anytime. So now if you want to again edit the project, click on edit project, and we are again back to the project. Now if you are thinking to change the music or add a new music, click on music and go to category, dramatic or anything that you want, and then click on it. You'll be able to play. Select it and it will be changed. You can change the volume, you can increase or decrease it like the way you want. As well as if you want to add a blur, you can select an image and then click on blur and you will be able to. As well as we have something called as filters for all the images. So you can see there are many filters available. If you click on it, the filter will be added here. Also, I have said you how you can use the brand colors, template colors and the custom colors. Also don't forget that the colors are applied to all the slides present in the project. Let's go back to preview